What's up everyone? This is Todd from Lawson Workhorse Group, and real quick here we're going to talk about one of the many heat presses that we sell here. This is a Geo Knight, and this one specifically is the DK20A, which is the A standing for auto pop. Platen size is 16 by 20, and this thing's built like a tank. It's made right here in the US, and these things are built to last. A couple of the features it's got on it: you can change temp, you can change time, pretty standard on all the heat presses. You got your pressure knob here to control your pressure, and you've got this mechanism here in the center, which is what your auto pop is. So you can put it down, it's a magnet. Whenever the time's up, it kicks up on its own. And another feature that this thing has is it has what's called a hover mode. So for you people out there that are doing the DTG printing and you want to cure one sheet for DTF on your DTG printer, you can hover this heat plate over top the platen, and it'll stay just so far above and it'll cure that glue that's on your transfer. Stands, we make them right here in St. Louis, so if you need a stand to go with it, give us a call. Again, I'm Todd with the Lawson Workhorse Group. If you're in the market for a heat press, give us a shout. We've got tons of different heat presses just like this Geo Knight. Don't forget to like us, subscribe to us, keep your eye out because we got a lot more content coming to show you some new things coming out.